guys, well here it is. This is the car I mentioned in my last video, if you checked it out. 2014 BMW, bring money with. 320i X-Drive. Woo! I want to say money lights on, but that's Keith's thing. I don't want to steal that from him, because that's funny. Check engine lights on. She went and had it scanned or checked by one of our friendly neighborhood places, and they told her, breakdown in communication somewhere, that it needs a temperature reader. We'll figure out what that really means. I've only been given enough time to probably troubleshoot it. I don't know if I'm able to do the repair because I'm on a tight time. She needs the car back, so we may troubleshoot it and then bring it back for the actual repair, depending on what we find. I better get busy. Auto detect. I know I always say I want to do this quick, but I had to turn the fan and the radio off to do this, and it got hot in here super quick. So we're going to let this car run with the AC on so I don't pass out. Yes, that's us. So much for running the car. It just shut it off on me. If the camera falls to the side, I passed out. Turn ignition on. BMW, gotta be different. Hey, there we go. Can I start it back up? I wonder if it'll let me. Oh, thank you. No, I don't want to do the whole car. We'll be here forever. Oh, da, 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 da. Diesel electronics, that ain't us. I think we'll just go right here. I don't get the privilege of working on too many BMWs. I'm thankful for that. Map thermostat activation, line disconnection. Permanent, which means this is, I'm assuming that means it's happened long enough that it logs it as a permanent code. MSA monitoring start delay. Well, I guess it's time to pull up some information. Stand by. Alright, here's where it gets a little interesting. 1D2404, which is also a P0597, which indicates a defective map controlled thermostat. Apparently it has a heater element inside of the thermostat. For some reason it's just ringing a bell. I think I may have done one of these before. And this is always fun. You click on right there. P0597, right? How come when you open it up it says right there, P0598. Thanks, Identifix. That was a good one. Let's look again. I thought I was going nuts. P0597, 1D2404. Open it up. 2402 with a P0598. Either way, it relates the same. We need to check the heater element inside of the thermostat housing. Now they don't give you a spec on it. Let's show you where it is. Right down in there. And if I can get my finger on it. I think she brought it here. I think she drove from Mars before she came here, because this thing is hot. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right. I got my finger on it. That's the harness for it right there. I need to get that out. We need to check it. It should have somewhere between 2 and 10 ohms of resistance. The code indicates a short to ground, and spinning around. And the other part of this, it's hot in here. The other part is it has a extended warranty on the thermostat, 10 years, 120,000 miles. This car would actually qualify. So from here, I gotta let the car cool down. It's been an hour and it's still bloody hot. I'm not jamming my fingers in there. They'll never come out the same. I'll be short of a finger. We're gonna let it cool down. I'll pull the plug off. Make sure if I can see if I get that on film. We'll check the resistance of it. See if in fact it's shorted or open or whatever. I'll talk to the customer, see if she wants to bring it back or actually just pay for the warranty. Sometimes if it's close enough, customers will just go, you know what, I'm not going to deal with the dealership and have it sit there like my car is sitting there for 4 days at the dealer. Thanks, guys. Some people don't want to deal with it, so they just, you know what, I'll just pay it. I need my car back. So let me talk to her, see. I know it's getting close. I know she's on a time schedule. She wanted me to just troubleshoot it for now, and then we'll discuss it. I'll let you guys know how we make out, and we'll go from there, and I'll keep you updated. Alright, follow up on the BMW. It finally cooled down. I got the switch out. I tested the switch. It was bad. It was wide open. I was going to shoot the video to show it. Unfortunately, I got the phone call. She was on her way down, needed the car back, so I had just about enough time to get the switch back in it, hook it back up, and get it back out the door. She did opt to bringing it back for warranty, let the dealer cover it on the warranty, and that was a couple weeks ago. The car was fixed. It fixed the problem. New thermostat housing comes with the switch. They put the whole assembly in, and that was it. So pretty simple enough. Biggest thing is I just had to let the car cool down. So I apologize for not getting that on film, but I guess word to the wise, check her information. She was fortunate enough that it was one of these extended warranty deals, which we've seen before, and other things, kind of like the Chevy 3.6 timing chains and several other things that they extend the warranties on. So keep your eyes open, make sure you check her information. This way you can give, whether it be yourself or your customer, the option or the right advice to get it covered for free. And that's it. Thanks for checking it out. Let me know what you think. Click the buttons and all that other good stuff, and the bell and the notification, and hope you enjoyed it, and I'll work on some more. I apologize if I've been a little behind in videos. Tons of raw footage, no time to edit. Been really busy, but thank you for your support, and see you soon. Thanks.